Hey, what's up guys? My name is Jonathan. Today is June 2nd, Thursday. Right now it's roughly around 4 o'clock. For this video, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to install a doorknob, the one with the locks on it. Let me quickly. So I got this from Walmart. It's directly shipped to me. Obviously, I ordered this the day that I ordered it. It also comes with the keys and everything, as you can see. Currently at this door, it's empty, and I'm going to install this. So it only cost me $10 from Walmart online, and yeah, that's about it. So when you first open it, you get the door with the key lock, and you got the manual lock on this side, and also it gave you all this is the door locks. You also get all the bolts that you have. They came in two different variety of color. One silver with the gold, which I got the gold one to match all the other color. And I don't think I need this, but it also came with the key. So let's get started. First of all, you need to remove your original door. Like, if you have something that's original, you have to remove it. But obviously mine already been removed. I already have a plate right there, so I don't really need, this plate. I could use the old one. So to get started, you remove this, you take this out, and you want to orientate where do you want the lock to be, where you want the key to be. So I want this key to be outside. The main reason why I'm installing one of these is because that I'm going to be renting this room out right behind me. This is one of the room. It has its own restaurant and everything. So I'll be renting it out. So I need to put in a key because I'm pretty sure whoever is renting this place wants a key in it. And the second thing is that you want to install the lock. So let me show you guys this orientation. And to install this, obviously you don't want it to go face this way, because if you face this way, someone push the door, it'll just open it. You see that? Because this thing is curved and you do not want it to be facing this way. So you want the door to be locked on this side so that it doesn't open. That's the orientation. So after you know the orientation, you just stick it in the hole right here. So that's the size you want. Remember, you want it like that. So the curve face the outside, so it's easier to close. You could just slam the door and it'll just push in and close it by itself. But you do not want it to be faced this way, okay? So what you want is this way, and just screw it in. And second thing you want is the door itself, which is go directly in the middle. Ooh, hold on guys, I don't know. Okay, now it's better. So I was able to stick it in, but it's not screws. Let's stick these two bolts on first. So I had to remove the packet ready, and these two goes on the door lock itself. These two are the same, so I guess it doesn't really matter. Yeah, it's all the same, so it doesn't matter which goes where. Okay guys, so it's done. I put the two screws right here to tie it up, and then two screws right here. What you could do is you could use a power tool like what I have, or you could use a regular screwdriver, just stick it in, and that's pretty much it. See that? Pretty smooth. So yeah, that's it guys. It's pretty straightforward. Everything is installed. I think the only comments I will need to make is make sure you have this orientation right. You want this thing to face the outside, so when you close it, it doesn't open. You can pull it and you can lock it. Pretty straightforward. Of course, if your orientation is wrong, if this was facing outward, then it will be having a hard time to close it. Anyway, so yeah, that's pretty much the straightforward video of showing you guys how to install it. Like I say, the reason why I'm putting the the lock there is because at this moment I'm going to be renting it out. Pretty straightforward. Right now it's missing a bed. I also need to install the not cabinet but the closet. Yeah, so I need to install like a pole in right here in between so that people could hang their clothes. Also check out my other video on how to install this window blind, which I installed. Pretty nice. But yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. If you have any comments, just leave it below. And that's about it. In terms of the door lock, it's pretty straightforward. You got 2 bolts right here. You got 2 on this side, and then obviously you got 2 on here. But I'm using the old one. I didn't replace this. I'm just continue to use this one. But yeah, that's it. It closed by itself. Yep.